I know some good recipes. And you know, there are so many recipes out there, but the thing is you have to sift through them all to find the good ones. And I've done so much sifting over the last 50 years. My beautiful mum introduced me to cooking when I was just a small child, and it's been my thing ever since. And then naively, 15 years ago, I opened a 50-seater cafe in a busy city. 500 grams a day, it's not a kilo like I said in the video in case you watch it. And there was so much competition that the food had to be really good. So I would research and research, and every day I would make something different, trying to find the next best thing. And it worked. Together with a really special team of people, the cafe became really popular. And it was during this time, through the side door, that I attained my qualifications as a chef, which when I sold the cafe opened the front door to a few really good gigs working as a chef. But I prefer to think of myself as a passionate cook and keeper of good recipes. That's cream. And I'm still cooking for a living, still making new things and new old things all the time. It's my passion, or maybe it's an obsession. And if a recipe is already spot on, I don't change it. I prefer to tell you exactly where I got it from. And when I say thanks for watching, please know I really mean it. I am so grateful for your viewership, and I'm very glad you're here.